Want to revitalize your house and make it more energy efficient? Start with the windows. It's out with the old and in with the new as we visit one home getting a new window renovation. Dental insurance. Do you need it? Today you'll see how a dental plan will have you and your family on track for proper dental care and still stay on budget. It's a bathroom remodel, but first, let's look at the shower glass. Harsh water conditions make these enclosures look dingy and fogged. Not anymore. We'll show you the latest in glass technology. This is the show all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. We are Designing Spaces. Are trips to the dentist getting too expensive? Designing Spaces paired up two women who are on tight budgets to talk about a plan of action that will have everyone in the family getting regular visits. Take a look.
Our trips to the dentist are becoming further and further apart. It really is something that we should do, but with our budget, I just can't see it with the cost. I really like the idea of talking to an expert, especially about dental insurance.
I was definitely thinking about a dental insurance plan for my entire family. With 6 of us, going to the dentist has become way too expensive. I mean, we go for emergencies, and when that bill comes, ouch.
Designing Spaces organized a meeting for Jody and Christina with Shearin to learn about Encore dental insurance and to answer some common questions regarding dental insurance. Encore Dental is offered by Stonebridge Life Insurance Company, a Transamerica company where Dana is a marketing director.
Dana, can you tell me what's covered under Encore Dental?
Sure. So we have preventative services. Those are your cleanings, x-rays, exams, and even fluoride treatments. And then you also have your basic services. That's if you're getting a filling or anesthesia. And then after you have the plan for 12 months, you can even have major services covered. That's your root canals, crowns, oral surgery. So it covers really everything.
Are there different plans? And what about my kids?
There are different plans to meet your different needs. There are plans structured for coverage for you and for your family. And children are covered up to age 19 or up to age 25 if they're still in school and unmarried. Children will receive the same product benefits that adults do, depending on which plan you choose. There are 2 plans. Plan A provides up to 100% coverage for your preventative dental care and diagnostic services, while Plan B covers 50% coverage for those services at a lower monthly premium.
And there's no waiting period?
Our Encore Dental Standard A and B plans have no waiting periods for preventative or basic services, and a 12-month waiting period for major services.
You mentioned preventative care. How many checkups and cleanings does the plan cover?
Both of our primary insurance plans pay for 2 checkups and cleanings at the dentist every year, so that's once every 6 months.
What about deductibles?
There are no deductibles for preventative or diagnostic dental care. Now for your basic and major services, you will pay the first $50 of each year, and that's your deductible. For family coverage, there's a $150 maximum deductible per family per year. So each year, you will have an annual deductible, which is the amount that you will pay out of pocket before benefits are paid. This amount does not include your copayments.
And what about braces and orthodontics?
We don't have a plan for orthodontics yet, but we're working on it.
Does my dentist have to be in the network?
You can see any dentist you want, so you don't have to stay within the network. Of course, you may find that you have less out-of-pocket costs if you choose one of our in-network dentists, because they all are guaranteed to charge lower pre-negotiated rates as part of our Encore Dental policy.
How do I check to see if my dentist is in the network?
It's so easy, let me show you. First, go to EncoreDentalPlan.com, and then you're going to click on Find a Dentist link. Now remember, you don't have to go to an in-network dentist to still receive all the same benefits. You have the flexibility to pick any licensed dentist and still get dental coverage.
Is Encore Dental hard to get?
Not at all. In fact, your acceptance is guaranteed.
The big question is now, how do we sign up?
It's so easy. You can sign up online or call our toll-free number and an agent can get you enrolled right away. And if you don't have dental coverage because you're unemployed or retired or because your company just doesn't offer dental insurance, Encore Dental offers you low-cost insurance to help cover you and your family. The plans are easy to fit in your budget.
Thanks, Dana.
Yes, thanks, Dana. You've definitely given me some options for family dental coverage.
Absolutely. I'm so glad I was able to help.
For more information, call 1-800-671-5804 or visit EncoreDentalPlan.com. To see this portion of the show again, go to designingspaces.tv and click on the Transamerica video. There, you will also find a link to their website. Whether you're remodeling the bathroom, or upgrading the windows, or planning to get back to the dentist on a regular basis, we have the ideas and suggestions that will put you on track the way you like it. We are Designing Spaces.
For more information about anything you've seen on today's show or to find out how to be part of the show, log on to designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.